my daytime routine. Just washed my face. With this here, it's the Edelweiss Cleansing Concentrate by The Body Shop. I love how smooth and clean my face feels after using it. Oh, I love this. And it doesn't feel too dry at all. So this is what I started off with. Next, I'm toning. I've had no issues. I don't see what the problem is. I don't know about you guys, but when I tone, which is for me the last step of cleansing, I go in with one side and then I'll use the other side, and hopefully by then the pad is closer to white. This is so gentle. I can tell my face feels clean. It doesn't feel dry. Glycolic Essence gently sloughs off any dead skin, leaving your skin feeling and looking bright and radiant and glowy, which is always the goal. Estee Lauder eye cream. In the daytime, I always use a vitamin C. It rapidly brightens the appearance of skin and boosts vital skin bounce. Let's give it a try. Smells like vitamin C. You can use vitamin C oils or serums both day and night. It strengthens the properties in your sunscreen. So I'm gonna save me some product. My favorite serum, Double Serum by Clarins. If you take a look at the lid here, I'll do one pump here and then another pump here for my face and neck. This is the reason for the glow that you guys ask about. By Clarins again. This is the extra firming day cream. Clarins last 2 years has been my go-to. Of course, we top it off with the 50+ SPF sunscreen by Clarins. It's my favorite step. Look at that, just melt. I love this sunscreen. It's my absolute favorite. This is my winter routine. It always changes a little tiny bit, but not much. I've got very youthful skin. I just try and preserve what I have by using things that are very hydrating. Keep in mind, everything that I use works well for normal to dry skin. I have also been told that I am acneic. Clean out my pores really well. Not all the time, but periodically. I'm usually trying to attack hyperpigmentation. Any questions? Meet me in the comments. See ya!
Follow along for all things skin, beauty, and style.